What if I told you there's a free AI tool that people are quietly using to make $500 a month, and most people have never even heard of it? Not ChatGPT. Not the obvious ones everyone talks about. This tool is sitting right under your nose, completely free. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to start making money this week. Don't leave, because this one is different. Before I reveal the tool, let me tell you why most people fail with AI side hustles. They pick tools that are too complicated, too expensive, too hard to sell to real clients. The tool I'm about to show you solves all three problems at once. It's simple enough for a complete beginner. It's 100% free to start. And businesses are desperately paying for exactly what it does. The tool is called Chatbase. Chatbase is an AI chatbot builder. You feed it information about any business, their products, services, FAQs, pricing. And it builds a fully functional AI assistant that answers customer questions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No coding, no technical skills, no investment. Here's exactly how people are making $500 a month with it. Step 1. Find a local business that has bad or slow customer service. Think restaurants, clinics, real estate agents, gyms, online stores. These businesses are everywhere, and they all have the same problem. They're drowning in repetitive customer questions. Step 2. Build them a custom chatbot using Chatbase. You take their website information, paste it into Chatbase, train the bot, and test it. The whole process takes less than an hour. Step 3. Charge them. Here's where it gets interesting. Charge $200 to $300 for the initial setup. Then charge $100 per month for maintenance and updates. That's it. That's the entire business model. Now do the math. One client, $300 setup plus $100 per month. 3 clients, $900 setup plus $300 per month recurring. 5 clients, $1,500 setup plus $500 per month recurring. Every single month. Like clockwork. And here's the most important part. You built each one in under an hour, using a free tool, with zero coding. But wait, how do you actually find clients? This is simpler than you think. Go to Google Maps, search any business category in your city. Look at their website. If they don't have a live chat, or if their response times are slow, they're your potential client. Send them a simple message explaining how an AI chatbot can save them time and money. Most small business owners are desperate for this solution. The demand is real, the tool is free, the income is recurring. What's stopping you? Here's the truth. Chatbase is just one example of how a single free AI tool can become a real income stream when you apply it with a clear strategy. You don't need to be technical. You don't need experience. You need to pick one tool, learn it deeply, and take action before you feel ready. If you want me to do a full step-by-step Chatbase tutorial, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this opened your eyes, subscribe, because every week I break down exactly how real people are making real money using AI. Your future self will thank you.